Yo, what's good? Honestly, man, it's already late at night, and just wanna rest. But anyways, we're doing this podcast, this video, this whatever you may call it, this medium. Medium? How the hell? Anyways, I have three things always that in my pocket and in my mind that I do have three things to be grateful for today, which is number one is to be able to wake up once again in life and to respond. Number two is to yeah, basically do my errands, which was the the TDC, theoretical driving course exam today, I passed and hopefully to get my license student permit in the next coming weeks. And after that, number three is to be able to do my thing, which is running. So yeah, how the day went? Well, man, it's tiring, but it's fulfilling. And we're just having few days ahead for the Prisa games, which is, yeah, coming in weeks. One, 1 week, 1 week or 7 days only for the countdown. And I don't know how can I film, video, document my journey or my thing there, or my games. How do I document? Because I don't have camera. My phone is struggling, so I don't know how, but hopefully I can make a way to document it. So yeah. Um what are we looking forward for tomorrow is to hit the gym without running because tomorrow's the rest day for the week and yeah. And I'll be looking forward for a good rest for tomorrow and cleaning my space once again, my room. And yeah, this is gonna be just a quick yapping session because I'm about to go to sleep and what more, man? I would like to take or I don't know, man. I'm just I just wanna hit someone again or like wanna talk to someone again or like open up a conversation with someone. But I don't know, man. Let's see. Let's see how my mind goes thinking about that person. But yeah, we'll see as we go along. And what I have learned for today is, I mean, I have to remind myself that, progress is not linear. And for today, it's just kind of being sloppy in my training. So, yeah, man, it's just, I feel like I have just only 30% to train and, didn't really, go all out. But I feel just like that, man. And hopefully to recover and regain myself back into that training, you know. And I mean, it's actually given that it's just 1 week, so we taper and we shorten our distance and we lower the volume of our training. So I guess it's valid to feel that way. And yeah, I just feel new to this, going down or lowering our training volume once again. So once again, but that's not, oh, my bad, bro. But yeah, I mean, I said once again, but I did not really mean that. But this is the first time that I've been tapering or lowering our my training load. So yeah. Anyways, man, this just I said it's just a quick session, but yeah, hopefully you've learned something on this. And yeah, peace out and see you guys tomorrow.